This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This morning we're going to be doing more door work, and specifically we're going to be skinning the inside of the door so that we can mount the door cards to that, and that'll give us some structure in which to lift the door up and put it down inside of the cockpit. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Let's go. Okay, so I got some pretty heavy gauge steel here. Zoom out a little bit. This is 18 gauge steel. Yes, it's going to add maybe a kilogram or so to the door, but that's okay. We've got pretty strong gas struts, and we can always get stronger ones. So I'm not too worried about that. I don't want to add to the overall weight of the car, but I want something nice and strong. I could have gone with aluminum, but steel is just so much easier to manipulate. So, at least for me. You guys' mileage may vary. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this. I'm going to actually bolt it in to the door so I can remove it and get to the glass and the glass mechanism and all of that kind of stuff. All of the fasteners that'll be holding it will actually be underneath the door card, so you won't even see it. But for now, that's how I'm going to attach this whole thing. So anyway, we've got some reinforcement to do, so I'll probably bead roll some reinforcements in it. We have to have a good gap, so we're going to have some bends up here. Down here, our gap is somewhat okay, but we're going to have to shape the steel to kind of fit the door. Again, another reason for going with steel. So anyway, I've got a blank cutout. Let's go get started. Okay, guys. So that's where we started. And here's where we're finishing up. Give this door an open. And you can see. Ta-da! So now we have the door card. And it's in there pretty nice. Got good reveal. Got a little gap up here we got to take care of. But most of it looks pretty good. So that's fitting real nice. And nice and strong. So you can pull the door down. I still have to get one of those dampened door gas shocks, because you saw it came up and it just kind of slammed. But yeah, I think that's working great. So let me know what you guys think. Well, now we need to do the other side. So let's get cracking. And before I put the other one in, I actually did an outline showing where some of the cuts are needed to be made. So we'll do that first. And another episode of What You Printing? So printing the last piece for the passenger fender on the SVJ. Over here I just took a print off, which was this one right here, which is the passenger side rocker. Those pieces are getting put together here, so they're coming together nicely. And hopefully we'll have these done in the next week or so, and then we can start doing the door and start on the quarter panels for the SVJ. So that's it for the day. That door kicked my butt. I went and worked on the other one, and it kicked my butt even further. So I'm almost got that one done. I've got a few things to wrap up so that they're symmetric on both sides. Getting them, situated so that the driver's side and the passenger side all look the same. So I've got some work to do there, but I'll probably do that in the next video where I'll show you that. And then I really want to get on to installing the dash and maybe some of the interior components so that I can fit the dash in there and everything. So look for that coming in the next few episodes. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please do. It really helps me out. Hit that like button and hit the bell notification if you want to be informed when new videos come by. Anyway, thank you again, guys, for watching. Really appreciate it. You all take care and have a happy Easter.